Welcome to I Think Logistics. Today we will be looking at Post Ship. Post Ship is tracking page that the seller share with the buyer so they both can experience a easy order tracking process. The I Think Logistics team has designed this page so it's easier for buyers to navigate the tracking process in a very simplified way. We believe this is our best product since it's enable you to track your product on order tracking page. To get started, log into your I Think Logistics account, enter your credentials, click on login, and then you will have access to dashboard and the main menu. Look at all the options under the dashboard and find post shipping. Click on post shipping and you will be redirected to the main post shipping page in which you can manage the tracking page, configure domains, and perform other actions. The three main options on the dashboard are configure menu, net promoter score, NPR, and configure domain. When you click on configure menu, the drop down list will be displayed. The seller can fill out the details in menu name section and add or remove the links that are associated with it. The menu name is what the seller wants to display on the order tracking page, and the link column next to it for the seller to add a link that corresponds to each particular menu. This will allow the user to be redirected to entered link after clicking the menu name. At the bottom page, you will find the add row button, which allows you to add more rows for customized menus and their respective links. The seller is allowed to save and delete data. There is a limit of 6 rows. At the top of page, there is also a button that allows you to preview tracking page. You can click on it to see preview of menu option where you will be able to add a link to it, and you can also preview same link and do all necessary changes in the real time. Once you submit all the changes, the data will be saved and properly displayed on the tracking page. The next option is post ship dashboard is NPS. NPS is Net Promoter Score, the score that measures the willingness of customers to recommend a company's service and product to others. This score is calculated by dividing the total count of positive reviews by total count of reviews. The result is multiplied by 100 and that will give a score percentage. The final feedback score is between 9 and 11. The score is considered positive. And if it's between 0 to 6, it's considered negative. This score reflects the customer satisfaction. The responses are recorded with 3 options. If the customer experience is satisfactory, then they can choose a positive response. If there is something that the customer didn't like about the service or product, then they can opt for negative response. And lastly, if a customer is not sure, a neutral response can be submitted. Seller will be able to check NPS score as well as number of responses that have been received. Each response will display customer's details such as the customer's name, email address, the given NPS score, and any remark. All NPS data will appear on order tracking page. The next option on the post shipment dashboard is configure domain. When you click on configure domain, you will be redirected to a window with fillable blank spaces. To configure domain, the first thing you can do is enter a desired domain name for the tracking page and check availability. Likewise, the seller can configure a subdomain by entering subdomain name for the tracking page and then check availability by clicking on it on the button next to it. There is also a detailed guide available so you can configure your domain according to your chosen domain service provider. Overall, to configure the domain, you must follow these steps. Enter the link for main domain and check its availability. Enter the link for the subdomain and check its availability. Enter the link for your website. Add your contact details and email address. If desired, you can add privacy policy link from your website, but this step is not mandatory. And for last step, your logo and complete process. Now to navigate the tracking page, the first thing you need to do is click on tracking page option. Then you must enter AWB number to track shipment. As a customer, you will be able to navigate this page and find the following information. In the header, you will find logo and the menu link. If the buyer has to verify the OTP, the buyer will do the verification process and the buyer will be able to view the status of the order and then write reviews and rating against that order. AWB number is marked on the tracking page. An image will indicate the current status of package from ready to ship until delivered. When an order is ready to ship, the status will be displayed on tracking page along with the date and time. When it's out for pickup, the order date and time will also display it along with the location. The status will remain the same until it's delivered or returned to origin. And this will be displayed with detailed information including time, date and location. If you click on View More, you will be able to access shipment status in a more detailed manner. Every status will have relevant data such as time, date, location and any remarks. The order details will be displayed on the right side of the menu. These details include the date on which order was placed as well as name, quantity and images of the product. It will also indicate the order number with the subtotal mentioned. By clicking on View Order Details, the list of product will be expanded and you will see all the details about the product. After all this, the seller can capture the interaction with the customer and submit an NPS. You can rate your experience from 1 to 10, with 1 being a very unpleasant experience and 10 being an extremely positive experience. Additionally, you can enter any remark to support the given score and then click on Submit. When you click Submit, an OTP will be sent to your registered phone for verification. Once it's been verified, you can go ahead and submit your feedback. If you fail to receive the OTP, you can click on Resend for new OTP to be generated and sent to you. But this step won't be necessary if the OTP hasn't already been verified for the track page. After this is completed, you will find the section in which you can rate your overall experience of your service. Select the emoji that best represent your experience, add remarks and submit. When you click Submit, an OTP will be sent to your phone number for verification. Once it's been verified, you can go ahead and submit your feedback. If you fail to receive the OTP, you can click on Resend for a new OTP to be generated and sent to you. Overall, our post-ship feature allows sellers to keep track of feedback given by customers. Based on NPS, the seller can make future business decisions. The feature also allows you to filter and refine data to improve your customer service. Is this guide useful to you? Do you see yourself using post-ship feature to improve your operations? Share your thought with us.